I have one CMD window to build the .NET MAUI project and another to launch the Android emulator. I launched the emulator with emulator-avd and the virtual device name. The command adb devices shows the device as attached once it's ready. I'll use the device name later in the build command. The project folder I'll work from is named Color App. I'll create a new MAUI project there in CMD. Next, I'll edit the default XAML and code behind. In the XAML file, I'll add elements to display a random background color when double tapped. And I'll update the code behind to handle it. To build and run, the command is .NET build. The framework is set to Android. Target type is run. And I add the device name as a property to avoid failures when it tries to look it up. Run it. And the app started in the emulator. So those are the steps I use to build maui-android from the command line and run in the emulator. This is my setup checklist. I set up everything manually from the command line. If you have questions, post in the comments.